So we're gonna wash this. Yeah. So a hamburger, a spaghetti, and a cup of cola, right? Yep. Then let's get it started. Okay. You will make the spaghetti and me the hamburger, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cut like the hamburger. For that, I need the hamburger bread and the knife. This. And I cut it. So, and now I need the pan. Meat. So, okay. So now it should be finished. So I'll put the meat in the hamburger. So finished. So can finish. Now Corday, you can cook. Okay, but first I have to arrange this. And take a plate. This. So finished. I'm gonna put it here inside. Okay, let's like inside. Okay, let's start with spaghetti. Now we're making the spaghetti, and we need some pasta. And the pan. Yeah. And then we need a spoon. And yeah. There's some pepper and salt. Yeah, and let's start cooking. Let's now cook it with a spoon. So now it's ready for eating. Let's put it on the plate. So now it's finished. It's really yummy. So Mimi, we're finished. Sure. Pick it up. So spaghetti, hamburger, and cola. Oh, good that it's closed. Last was not so good. This soap. Now let's bring it. So here's your hamburger. Your cola and your spaghetti. So, have a nice meal. I mean lunch. Thanks. Hi. Reserve table for two. Sure. Yeah. Okay. She gonna show you where your table is. Yeah, sure, come with me. Sure. you come here. Wow. Okay, you can take a seat. Sure. Yeah, this table is really great. I like the flowers. Okay, Mimi will be in 1 minute with you. Okay. So, what would you like to drink? I like a coffee. And you, darling? I like a hot chocolate. Okay, would you like to eat something now? Did you not want something? Me not. Me also not yet. Okay, I can bring it here. So there's new work for you. What is it? Yeah. 1 coffee and 1 chocolate drink. A hot chocolate. Okay. Yeah. Okay, for the hot chocolate, I need a cup and some chocolate powder and some milk. And yeah. Okay, for some chocolate powder. So, now the milk. Yeah, finished. So now we're gonna put some whipped cream on our chocolate drink. So, finished. Now we're finished and gonna put this back. So now you can make the coffee. Okay? Gonna put this here in the back. Okay. So now for the coffee, we need a cup and some coffee beans, milk, some sugar, and a spoon for mixing it. We're gonna put the coffee beans and some sugar, some milk, and now we're gonna mix it all. So finished. And now both is finished, right, Cart? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Hi, we're served table for 2. Okay. So, gonna check. Okay. She gonna show you where it is. Yeah, sure, come with me.